Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a DIY oil that is great for the hair, for the skin. It's a very effective oil and it does lots of wonders. It can be used on the skin, on the hair, and it's so effective. It can be used to cure acne. It can be used to grow your natural hair out. I will advise that you Google it, make your research about this oil, and it's called the lemon oil. This oil has done lots of good to my skin and also to my natural hair. Besides, I have seen lots of YouTubers do this at home. Very effective. I decided to try this oil. I tell you guys, this oil is a bomb. This oil will get rid of your acne. It can be used on your scalp, on your hair. It's also effective, guys. Do your research, guys, and I'm sure you will love this oil. I want to say thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. If you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you watch this video till the end, and after watching, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button, and there's a bell beside it as well. You also want to make sure you hit that bell. That bell will notify you whenever we upload a new video. This channel, we share some amazing content, some kind of videos you want to see, beauty tips and many more. Okay, some time ago I talked about lemon, what lemon can do to your body. That video is going to pop up now. Go and watch that video because you want to learn more about lemon. Okay, what lemon can do to your body as a whole. You want to Google it as well to make your research because lemon is very effective. After watching this video, guys, I'm sure you're no longer going to throw your lemon zest away because they are also very effective. The oil in it does lots of wonders, guys. Keep watching, guys, and I'm sure you're going to come back to say thank you. So guys, keep watching. So guys, first you're going to be needing your extra virgin olive oil, or you can decide to use any oil of your choice. This contains lots of antioxidants. Olive oil has lots of anti-inflammatory properties. It moisturizes the skin and it can grow out your hair as well. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C. It can help to improve the quality of your skin. Lemon can help to fight wrinkles. It can soften your skin and make it glow. It can also help to fight dandruff on your hair and also grow out your hair. You're going to be needing a plate, grater, and you're going to be needing a jar like this to store your mixture. Make sure you're using a jar that has a lid so you can cover it up. And you need a spoon for mixing and also a container. So let's get started. So first you want to get the zest out of the lemon just like I'm doing right now, and you want to be really gentle. Don't get the whitish part in it because that is not needed. So you want to be very careful. I'm going to be using 2 lemons and I'm just going to be getting the yellowish part alone. As soon as I'm done grating it, I will go on and transfer my lemon zest into a bowl. Now I will go on and pour my olive oil into the zest. Now I'm going to dip the bowl of zest and olive oil into a pot of boiling water, and I will just continue to stir it just as you can see in this video. And you want to continue doing this for about 15 minutes. So you want to make sure to leave this to cool down a bit before transferring it into a jar. And I'm going to leave this in the jar for 5 days. This is not ready to be used until after 5 days. And I'm just going to give this mixture about 5 days more to get infused. And after 5 days, you can go on and use your oil on your skin and on your hair. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I've made this video till the end. I want to say a big thank you to you. and I will see you all next Monday, guys. Bye, and thanks for watching.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.